Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to change the Zoom link in Calendly. If you need to update your meeting location or connect a different Zoom account, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's begin. On your Calendly dashboard now, in your Calendly dashboard, go to Integrations or Apps. First, we check if Zoom is already connected in our Calendly. If it is, we disconnect Zoom. But if Zoom is not connected, we just need to connect it. We can connect Zoom for ourselves or for our organization. Here, we choose for myself. If you want to connect for your organization, it only takes 2 clicks. Now, we log in with our email address in Zoom. Log in with your email. Continue and approve any verification requests. Then move forward and save your changes. Now go to My Account. We are going to switch. Here, you will see that you are about to add Calendly. Minimize the window and allow access. Now, Zoom is connected to our account. Zoom is now connected to our Calendly. Let's check if Zoom is connected to our calendar. We just need to create a new scheduling event. For example, choose one-on-one. As you can see, Zoom is already listed as an option. Select Zoom, then add the location. Now, the location is set to Zoom or Google Meet. If this is correct, save your changes. Once saved, check again to make sure the location is set to Zoom. This is how we change the Zoom link in Calendly. Keeping our meeting links updated ensures our guests can join without any confusion.